Hey, welcome back to Unravel Talks. Now, today marks the beginning of a transformative journey where we'll redefine our everyday habits to live a zero-waste lifestyle. Imagine a world where each step you take not only safeguards our beautiful planet, but also trims your expenses significantly. Curious? Well, keep watching. By the end of this video, I'll unveil a groundbreaking, simple hack that's fun to do, easy on your wallet, and dramatically reduces your ecological footprint. So let's start by rethinking how we could shop for food. Opt for fresh produce that isn't wrapped in plastic, and bring your cloth bags for carrying these items. For dry goods like grains, nuts, and spices, choose glass jars or cloth bags at bulk buy stores, which help you buy the exact quantity you need and reduces plastic waste. Consider alternatives to common disposable items. Instead of cling film, use beeswax wraps, which are washable and reusable. Moreover, silicone lids are fantastic for covering dishes or leftovers. Embracing a zero-waste kitchen is about more than just avoiding plastics. It's about rethinking how we use our resources to make every bit count. So let's dive into how you can make your meal preparation truly zero waste. Think creatively about all parts of your groceries. Transform carrot tops into vibrant pesto and use broccoli stems in stir-fries or creamy soups. Let your culinary creativity shine. Don't discard those vegetable peels, ends, and leaves. Simmer them into a rich vegetable stock, a perfect base that enhances many dishes and significantly cuts down kitchen waste. Overripe fruits are another opportunity. For example, bananas too brown to eat are perfect for banana bread. After preparing meals, some waste like eggshells, coffee grounds, and fruit peels is still inevitable. And here's where composting comes into play. You see, composting these materials returns nutrients back to the earth, helping in soil enrichment and reducing our reliance on chemical fertilizers. Are you interested in learning how to start composting at home? Well, drop us a comment below and we'll cover that in a future video. Now that we've tackled kitchen waste, let's look at how we can continue our zero waste practices in the bathroom, often cluttered with single-use plastics and disposable products. Switch from plastic to bamboo toothbrushes. Imagine this. Each year, over 1 billion plastic toothbrushes add to landfill and ocean waste in the US alone. Whereas bamboo decomposes naturally, significantly reducing environmental impact. When it comes to sustainable personal care, there are 2 convenient options to consider, allowing you to choose the best fit for your lifestyle. Consider refillable products or switch to solid items like shampoo bars. Refillables reduce plastic waste and can be cost-effective, while solid products offer a zero-waste, travel-friendly alternative. Both significantly cut plastic use, enhancing your bathroom sustainability. Now, moving on to the next part. This same philosophy extends into your wardrobe as well. Opt for natural fibers like organic cotton and linen, which are renewable and gentle on the earth. Organic cotton is grown without harmful chemicals, benefiting both the environment and the workers. Linen derived from flax plants requires minimal water and is naturally moth resistant. Explore other eco-friendly materials such as hemp and Tencel. Hemp grows with little water or pesticides, and Tencel is made from sustainable wood pulp using eco-friendly methods. Both materials are not only environmentally beneficial, but also durable and low in carbon footprint. When shopping, be mindful of the materials. Avoid synthetics like polyester and nylon that release microplastic in every wash and are slow to decompose. Choosing sustainable fabrics helps protect our planet and promotes healthier ecosystems. And now the moment you've been waiting for, our simple, fun, and effective solution to help you transition smoothly to a zero-waste lifestyle while trimming down the costs. Let's dive into creating your very own eco-friendly cleaning kit with just a handful of natural ingredients. Did you know you can simply mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle to create a solution perfect for cleaning your windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces sparkling clean without any streaks? You can combine a bit of baking soda with water to form a robust paste. It's fantastic for tackling those stubborn stains on countertops, stoves, and well, even the interior of your oven. For those tough grease spots, cut a lemon in half, dip it in baking soda, and voila! You can scrub your dishes and surfaces. It effortlessly cuts through grease and can even remove rust stains from metals. And for a versatile solution, Mix vinegar and water, add a squeeze of lemon juice, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This all-purpose cleaner isn't just effective, but leaves your home smelling wonderfully fresh. Now, these homemade cleaners are not only effective, but also incredibly cost-efficient and reduce the need for single-use plastic containers, supporting a zero-waste lifestyle. Now, as we conclude today's guide to a zero-waste lifestyle, remember that each small change you make has a ripple effect that benefits our planet. It's about progress, not perfection. Let's join this movement together. Share your zero-waste tips and experiences and help inspire others. For more insights and practical tips on sustainable living, don't forget to subscribe. Together, let's commit to sustainability as the norm, not the exception. Thanks so much for watching, and let's pave the way to a cleaner, greener future.